everyone, my name is Issy and I'm also known as Issy, and you're watching the Issy Missy show. Today I'm going to talk about the continent's animals. So let's start. So first we'll talk about Asia. So Asia's most popular animals are walrus, giant panda, tiger, camel and wild boar. Moving on to the next continent is Africa. Africa's most popular animals are giraffe, rhino, lion, zebra and elephant. Next is Australia. The most popular animals of Australia are platypus, frilled lizard, kangaroo, cockatoo and koala. Moving on. Next, Antarctica. Antarctica's most popular animals are killer whale, elephant seal, penguins, blue whale and Weddell seal. Moving on. North America. North America's most popular animals are moose, alligator, parrot, bald eagle and bear. Next, South America. South America's most popular animals are caima, spider monkey, poison dart frog, green iguana and toku-toucan. And the last and final continent is Europe. Its most popular animals are snowy owl, red fox, red squirrel, badger and hedgehog. So that was all about the continents and their most popular animals. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe the